Hi everyone, I hope you watched my previous videos. So, today I will teach you how to use Font Awesome on your coding platform. So, Font Awesome is a font and icon tool kit based on the CSS. As 2020, Font Awesome was used by 38% of third-party sites. It is so big number. Font Awesome is a second place after the Google Fonts. It's so big. So I will go and teach how to use Font Awesome on your coding platform. So let's get started. So first you have to create an account. Click on Start for free. If if you have creating the account for if you are creating the account for first time, you have to enter your email. Because I have already my email account, I will just click on the sign in and I will enter my password and click on sign in. It's done. Hold on, couple of minutes. Yeah, you can see it's showing me a code. Click on this blue color icon box and scroll down. This is my code. Simply I will just copy the code and I will paste here. You can see opening brace forward slash head. Simply click down and I will, yeah, it was done. Now I will show you how to use Font Awesome on your coding platform. Simply just so we have successfully pasted the code. Now I will show you how to use icons on your coding platform. Just simply click on the icons menu and simply search. For reference I will search Twitter tweet sorry Twitter. Yeah, I will go on. I will take this for reference and simply copy this code and in the playground on your code here I will paste in my code. Control plus V. It's taking, yeah, it's done. You can see. I will zoom it. You can see here. Oh, Twitter logo has been updated. So I will show like the video. For more exciting updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.